Okay, finally, I've got something that I really want to share with you, so I want you to pay close attention. We've got something that really can help uplift and level up your online business right now. Embark on the path of gold with Heal. I'm going to play a little bit of this video and I'm going to show you what this means by becoming gold, uplifting your business, giving the things you need to not only make more money, but also, get more credit and also have more things in place where you really can explode and beyond. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video and welcome to the video channel today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. I'm going to play a little bit of this video here. This is Stephen Munson, the CEO of Heal, and he's going to tell you a little bit about gold with Heal.
Welcome to Gold. My name is Stephen Munson. Greatness, opportunity, legacy, dynasty. Gold. In my hand right here, I have a piece of real gold and real silver. This holds a much higher value than this coin, even though this one is bigger and weighs more. Gold is the next level of life in entrepreneurship. Here I have a gold Heal logo right on the wall, and I want to break down the 5 modules.
That's a little bit about Heal. He's talking about the 5 modules that you're going to get when you're a part of VIP Gold membership with Discover Heal. Now you also have a chance of winning 1 ounce of gold when you're going ahead and joining this Heal opportunity, becoming gold. This is gold. This is one of the highest levels that you're going to find to really help your business. And let me show you exactly some things you're going to get. You're going to get the online business bestie. So you're going to have somebody there helping your online business. Our personal credit coach. So this is going to help you if you have good credit, bad credit, or okay credit. We're going to help you get your credit score together. International business liaisons. That's going to help you international business in terms of credit and networking, connections. You're going to need that, especially because when you're growing a business, it's all about your personal brand, and we're going to help you with that as well. The business credit concierge, you definitely need that as well, because you also need information about growing your business, and then credit, any type of credit that you need to expand your business, and that concierge will do that as well. The peak performance partner, it's good to have somebody in your corner that's helping you every step of the way, especially when your business go ahead and explode. So you're going to get that and more when you become a gold standard entrepreneur with Heal. Now this is Discover Here review by becoming a gold standard entrepreneur. It's because it's time for you to level up in your business. So if you have problems making money online, you have problems just not having enough time with family, you want to travel more, or you just want to have extra money to do different things with your family and friends, or you need to level up your business in terms of more credit. Maybe you need help with your LLC, or if you need a peak performer that accountability partner that's going to help your business, then you're in the right place at the right time. So rank up with gold now. Here's some people down here that you see here that's already ranked up with gold, and they're going ahead and having success within gold right now. So one thing I want to show you real quick is that you do get a chance to have this huge bonus for the gold when you complete the certification process, show 180 days of results, and then you have an opportunity to be one of the winners of the 1 ounce gold. Now go ahead and level up just like Stephen Munson said. I'll play a little bit more of the video in terms of becoming gold, and by clicking on the link below, you'll get a chance to see this whole page, and you go ahead and take action right now.
You're going to get in gold when you join right now. And also an incredible opportunity for me to send you a piece of real gold to put in your safe. It's kind of nice. I have these little pieces right here. I have a lot of silver as well, but I'd much rather have gold. Now, let's break these down. And one thing before we go through this, watch this entire short video.
So that's a little bit about the video. If you want to watch the rest of the short video, click on the link below so you can watch the whole video, take action exactly on the steps you need to do, and embark on the path to gold with Heal. This is your year, this is your opportunity, and we're here to help you every step of the way. If you're struggling on your online business, or you don't have an online business, or you want a business that's going to grow and make money, have more time freedom, be able to travel the world, get a chance to do more things that you are right now, becoming gold is definitely the way of getting started. My name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to click on the link below where you become a gold standard entrepreneur. You'll go right to this page. So the link will link you right to this page, and then sign up, join, and become a gold standard entrepreneur. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.